Got problems like this? Take care of them before they take over your yard. I got sent this to do a little box opening and to show you what you get and to show you how to set them up, which is really simple. This is a motor mole repellent screw. It's a 4-pack. I'm going to get it opened up and let me show you what it's about. It's supposed to take care of moles, gophers, groundhogs, vole, and snakes. I haven't seen any snakes around here, but we definitely have the moles around here. I don't know about snakes. I haven't seen any yet, but we definitely have the gophers. Let me show you what we have here. And the ideal is to screw this device into the ground as deep as you can. And what it does, it emits a vibration, and they are solar powered, so you don't have to worry about changing batteries or doing anything like that. I don't know if you heard that or not. So this is the 4-pack of them, and it does have your little paperwork in here to kind of guide you through setting it all up. There's also instructions here on the back of the box. This is your user manual. Let's go out here in the yard and I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. I don't think you'll have any problems with doing it. Just make sure it's on. Okay, we are on. You'll know it's on when it makes that noise. I want to remove this film cover over the top so it'll get a good charge, and just pick a spot. They'll pretty much work anywhere. One would cover like this little area right here. I've got a sidewalk and then another part of the yard. You'd want to put one over there as well. But there was 2 gopher mounds right across the street a few days ago, but the guy across the street leveled the dirt out, and they make a mess of your yard. So anyway, you just take that, put it in the ground, and just start turning it. And that is all there is to it. Now really, honestly, the only way you know if these are working or not is if you see little mounds of dirt from the gophers around in your area and you don't have any in your yard, you know it's working. That's about the only way to prove that it's working, and can't really do that immediately. It takes time. I've got some over in another yard, a block over. She had some mounds in her yard. We put a couple out just like this over there and leveled the dirt out, and we have not seen any signs of any more. They do work. Now, I've heard that some people said they don't work. All I know is they can be in your yard or be in your area, and you put these out, and we haven't had any problems since putting those out over there. And I don't want to get any problems over here because they were across the street and right over here. So they are in the area. If you see those mounds, you might want to check into this. If you'd like to take care of the problem before it becomes a problem, I'll put a link down in the description so you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.